Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax here in Greenville. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2023-22 L Series Bennington. This has the radius seating up front with the nice long bench seats and the speakers up tucked away. It has the silver with the graphite interior. Nice table here with the L-shaped. This is the swing back, so you can sit here, folds back, and sit on either side. Storage underneath, very nice. 10-foot bimini. Over here in the captain's area, we got the 7-inch Simrad. It does have the Rockford Fosgate stereo. This will have a 150 Yamaha on it. 40-mile-an-hour boat, great boat. Movable cup holders, storage under all the seats, all the backrests flip up for extra storage. Get another view of the boat here. There you go, awesome boat. See all this area back here, it's fun to hang out on. 12 people can fit on this boat. It'll be equipped with a ski tow bar, so you can tube and ski with the family. Just a lot of fun on the water. This Bennington Tri-Toon. Get an outside shot here, the ocean blue, beautiful boat. Come on out to MarineMax and check this boat out. It'll be on our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you can call us and ask about it at 864-236-9005. Thank you.